Night drone cinematic zoom into Mount Etna, Sicily, January 2026. The 2,100 meters New Year's fissure glows bright orange in the Valle del Bove. A 2.8 kilometers long lava flow cascades down to 1,420 meters. The ash plume from the Bocca Nuova crater rises 10 kilometers high. "4K" slow-motion macro of shimmering olivine crystals in flowing, scoriaceous black lava at 1,100 degrees Celsius. A chemistry graph overlay appears. A plus 5% silica spike from the magma mantle at 15 kilometers instead of the usual 5 kilometers. A split-screen thermal IR image compares 1,100 degrees Celsius versus the normal 1,050 degrees Celsius. INGV Catania Observatory War Room. 6-monitor dashboard showing live feed. Drone thermal scan of southeast crater breakthrough. Sentinel-1 INSAR detects 5 centimeters uplift of Valle del Bove. Long-term seismic surges. Pulsating red waveform. Drone controller technician point of view. Flies into 2,100 meters fissure. Spallation rocks explode. Interactive 3D risk map animation rotates. Red zone. Catania Airport close it for 2 days due to ashfall. Yellow zone. Zafferana. Etna lava 1.5 kilometers from the village. Orange zone. Valle del Bove main flow path 2.8 kilometers. Simulated easterly winds carry ash plumes of 5 centimeters. Accumulation risk of Lahar's rotating 3D model with flashing warning lights. "500 evacuees at night, headlights swaying. N95 masks fighting 5 centimeters of ashfall. INGV warning sirens blaring. Tour guides protest with banners. Etna is our life." At the checkpoint, real-time police surveillance. Satellite view of the ash plume reaching a height of 10 kilometers. Animated 3D comparison table slide in. Strombolian, 200 meters green safety zone. Paroxysmal 1 kilometer yellow airport closure. Flank, 2,000 meters red evacuation. The Torre del Filosofo live camera feed shows a 300 meters fountain, currently visible. ESA Sentinel Satellite Constellation Earth Orbit, real-time tracking. SO2 plume, 150,000 tons. Day 3 ex-normal. Infrasonic waves. Sicily Vesuvius Marapi, Indonesia. Resonance. Detected global seismic web red pulse. IPCC overlay. Eruption frequency plus 20% this century. "48-hour satellite time-lapse of Valle del Bove. Fissure formation. Fissure opening 2.8 kilometers glowing lava field. Flank shrouds of blue contrast with the active red lava flow of Copernicus Sentinel to false color. The morning mist lifts, revealing a path of destruction. Catania Airport. Ashfall. Boeing. 737 seconds grounded. Runway covered by 5 centimeters of volcanic ash. Baggage handlers wearing N95 masks. Control tower. SO2 warning ground angle plus aerial drone. Wind-blown ash clouds obscure Etna's silhouette in the background. 300 meters live lava fountain. Top right, real-time INGV dashboard. Bottom left, Catania covered in ash. Bottom right, Valle del Bove river sunset light.